Comprehensive summary of Top 10 Emerging Technologies of 2025. Introduction. The World Economic Forum's Top 10 Emerging Technologies of 2025. Report serves as a critical guide to understanding the transformative innovations that are expected to shape the global landscape in the coming years. This report identifies and evaluates breakthrough technologies based on their potential to address complex challenges faced by societies and economies worldwide. The insights provided aim to catalyze forward-looking dialogues and inform strategic decisions among leaders in government, business, and science. 1. Structural battery composites. Structural battery composites, SBCs, represent an innovative fusion of energy storage and structural integrity. These materials serve dual purposes by functioning as both load-bearing components and energy reservoirs, enabling significant weight reductions in applications such as electric vehicles, EVs, and aerospace technologies. By integrating battery technology directly into structural elements, SBCs have the potential to enhance efficiency and reduce material costs. Applications and challenges. The adoption of SBCs is still in its infancy, with ongoing research focused on improving energy density, safety, and manufacturing processes. Regulatory hurdles must also be navigated to develop appropriate safety standards for these dual-function materials. The future of SBC technology could lead to transformative changes in vehicle design and energy systems, making them lighter, more efficient, and more sustainable. 2. Osmotic power systems. Osmotic power systems harness the energy generated from salinity gradients between two bodies of water, offering a clean and renewable energy source. This form of energy generation is particularly advantageous as it remains stable and predictable. Unlike solar and wind energy, which can fluctuate based on weather conditions. Recent advances in membrane technology have significantly improved the performance and viability of osmotic power systems, allowing for enhanced efficiency and scalability. Projects like the Osmerhain by Switch Energy exemplify the practical application of this technology. The potential for osmotic systems extends beyond energy generation, as they may also facilitate water purification and resource recovery. Barriers to adoption. Despite its promise, osmotic power faces economic and technical challenges that must be addressed. Investments in infrastructure and research are essential to overcome these barriers, making it imperative for stakeholders to collaborate in developing viable business models and technologies. 3. Advanced nuclear technologies. The demand for clean energy is escalating due to the global push for decarbonization, making advanced nuclear technologies more relevant than ever. This category includes small modular reactors, SMRs, and next-generation reactors, featuring enhanced safety and efficiency measures. Innovative reactor designs, Generation 3 and 4 reactors, propose alternative cooling methods and improved safety systems that simplify designs and reduce costs. SMRs, in particular, offer the flexibility to be deployed in remote areas or integrated into existing power grids, providing a sustainable and reliable energy source. Investment and infrastructure needs. Countries worldwide are increasing investments in nuclear technology, with significant public funding aimed at supporting the development of SMRs and alternative reactor designs. However, achieving widespread adoption requires addressing regulatory frameworks and enhancing public trust in nuclear power. 4. Engineered living therapeutics. Engineered living therapeutics, ELTS, involve the use of genetically modified organisms, such as microbes, to produce therapeutic substances within the human body. This innovative approach seeks to create a form of personalized medicine that responds dynamically to individual health needs. Potential benefits. ELTS promise to reduce the costs associated with conventional drug production, as they can generate drugs on demand within the patient, thereby eliminating extensive manufacturing and purification steps. This could significantly enhance patient adherence to treatment protocols, particularly for chronic diseases. Regulatory considerations, as with any novel medical technology, ELTs face regulatory challenges that require the development of new frameworks to ensure safety and efficacy. Engaging with regulatory bodies early in the development process will be essential for obtaining the necessary approvals. 5. GLP-1 South for neurodegenerative diacylglucagon-like peptide-1 receptor agonists, GLP-1s, initially developed for diabetes. Management are now being investigated for their potential in treating neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Early research suggests these drugs may possess neuroprotective properties, promoting brain health and potentially slowing disease progression. Current research landscape preliminary studies have shown promising results, but rigorous clinical trials are needed to validate these findings and establish effective treatment protocols. The potential impact of successful GLP-1 therapies could extend beyond individual patients to reshape healthcare delivery and eldercare systems. Economic implications, if proven effective. GLP-1 therapies could significantly relieve the emotional and financial burdens associated with neurodegenerative diseases, saving healthcare systems substantial resources while improving quality of life for affected individuals. 6. Autonomous biochemical sensing. Autonomous biochemical sensors are designed to continuously monitor specific biochemical parameters, facilitating personalized health management and environmental monitoring without human intervention. This technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare diagnostics and environmental safety. Applications and innovations. Current applications, such as wearable glucose sensors, exemplify the technology's capabilities. Ongoing research aims to broaden the scope of autonomous sensors to include monitoring for various health conditions and environmental contaminants. Challenges ahead. While promising, autonomous biochemical sensing faces technical limitations such as sensor lifespan and regulatory challenges associated with genetically engineered organisms. Addressing these issues will be crucial for widespread adoption and integration into everyday health and environmental management practices. 7. Green nitrogen fixation. Green nitrogen fixation technologies aim to convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia using renewable energy sources, reducing the carbon footprint associated with traditional fertilizer production methods. This innovation is essential for enhancing food security while minimizing environmental impact. Technological advancements. Recent developments in bio-based approaches and electrochemical methods show promise for localized ammonia production. These technologies could decentralize production, allowing for more sustainable agricultural practices and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Implementation challenges. To realize the benefits of green nitrogen fixation, significant investments in research and infrastructure are required. Overcoming technical challenges and ensuring economic viability will be essential for the successful implementation of these technologies. 8. Nanoenzymes are synthetic nanomaterials that replicate enzyme functions, offering advantages in stability, cost, and versatility compared to natural enzymes. Their applications span various fields, including healthcare, environmental remediation, and industrial catalysis. Market potential. The global nanoenzyme market is projected to grow rapidly, driven by advancements in medical applications, such as targeted drug delivery and diagnostics. Ongoing research aims to explore their effectiveness in treating diseases and enhancing industrial processes. Challenges and considerations. Despite their potential, nanoenzymes face challenges related to regulatory approval and public acceptance. Comprehensive safety evaluations and ethical considerations will be necessary to facilitate their integration into existing systems. 9. Collaborative. Collaborative sensing technologies enable interconnected networks of sensors to work together, improving decision-making in urban environments. This innovation has the potential to transform urban infrastructure, traffic management, and emergency response. Applications in urban systems. By leveraging data from distributed sensors, cities can optimize resource allocation, enhance public safety, and reduce environmental impact. This technology could lead to smarter, more adaptive urban environments that respond to real-time conditions. Implementation barriers challenges include the need for robust telecommunications infrastructure, data security, and public trust. Developing common data standards and ensuring interoperability among different systems will be critical for successful implementation. 10. Generative. Generic watermarking technologies are designed to embed invisible markers in AI-generated content, verifying authenticity and combating misinformation. As the prevalence of synthetic media increases, effective watermarking will be crucial for maintaining digital trust. Industry response and standards. Major tech companies are adopting watermarking practices to ensure transparency and accountability in digital content. However, the effectiveness of these systems relies on the establishment of industry-wide standards and robust governance frameworks. Future implications. Potential applications of watermarking extend beyond content verification. They could reshape legal and financial systems while enhancing the credibility of digital assets. Continued collaboration across sectors will be essential to develop effective and tamper-resistant watermarking solutions.